For sale today is a Mori Seiki 17 by 50 precision engine lathe. This machine features a buck through adjust chuck, a 2-inch spindle bore, has a Loris CA tool holder on it. We have a number 4 Morris taper. This machine has just been serviced. All the slides have been taken apart. Carriage has been taken apart, disassembled, cleaned, flushed out. Same with the headstock and the oil pump. It has a 2-axis DRO, has a new scale on the Z-axis. The other axis was cleaned and verified working properly. We're going to run this machine for you. We're at 510 RPMs. Machine runs nice and smooth. The lead screw looks like it's in very good condition. Brake works as it should. We'll shift some gears for you. This here should be 1,000 RPMs, 1,010. We go from 32 to 1,800. Show you our feeds here. Very easy and smooth shifts. We'll run it in low gear. As you can see, the ways of this machine, very nice condition. See, lead screw works. If you have any other questions about any other toolroom equipment, Prototrack, mills, lathes, you can give Brandon at Varney Machine a call. Thanks for watching the video.